How to purchase a new wash laundry card. To purchase a new laundry card from our Add Value kiosk, select Buy Card on the machine and insert, tap, or swipe your debit or credit card. Once approved, a payment confirmation message will display on the screen and your new laundry card will be dispensed. Please note that all new laundry cards purchased from the kiosk contain zero value and must be loaded with funds. How to add funds to a laundry card using a debit or credit card. There are two easy ways to add funds to your laundry card. The fastest and most convenient way to add funds to your laundry card is by using a debit or credit card directly at the kiosk. Simply tap and hold your laundry card on the reader until you hear a beep and select the credit card option. Choose the amount you want added to your laundry card and then select Confirm. Insert, swipe, or tap your debit or credit card to load your desired fund amount. After removing your debit or credit card, tap and hold your laundry card on the reader to load your card with the amount you selected. You will then hear a beep and your new laundry card balance will be displayed on the machine.